Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS by BRV. My name is Bhumit and today we are going to discuss one cue card. Describe an advertisement you remember well. The sub questions are: what is it, when and where you saw it, what happened in it. Dear friends, all the topics which I am discussing with you are the new ones with an out of the box answers. I have also prepared in the same way and got the desired coveted bands, so don't forget to watch till the end. The entire video is divided into 4 sections. Section 1 is thought for the day. Section 2 is discussion on the speaking topic. Section 3 is tips, which includes discussion on the vocabularies, idioms or phrases which are used in this particular topic. Section 4 is narration on the word incarnation. But before that, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos so that it encourages me to make more such videos. Section 1, thought for the day. Mother is said to be an incarnation of God. Mother is said to be an incarnation of God. The meaning of this sentence is: Mother is said to be a live God on this planet. The Almighty has come to help all of us by taking birth as a mother. This sentence can be used in speaking or in essay where you are describing about your mother or talking about women and their journey of life. Now section 2 is the speaking topic. Describe an advertisement you remember well. Advertisements are the integral part of this current modern world. They are ubiquitous, present everywhere. We find them on televisions, radios, hoardings, internet, etc. So basically it is impossible to avoid advertisements nowadays. But today I would like to talk about one such ad which I saw when I was watching a football match. The beginning had an eye-catching line, an invisible labor. So I initially thought it could be an ad of an NGO and their social works. Now the second line was, this person works 24/7. Then another quote popped out, this person works without asking for any kind of wages. The third line stated that this person also does overtime frequently and during holidays their work doubles or magnifies. Now I was really curious to know who was it, and then there came a line in bold letter, the mother. And then I realized that yes, all these qualities are of mother. Each and every mother works in this manner. A mother would transfer herself into whomsoever our family members needed her to be. She has always a big smile on her face. For her child, she would become, along with a good mother, a good teacher. For elderly members, she would become a good nurse. The ad featured these all situations by showing many images. She would make delicious dishes to keep each and every family members healthy. Apart from household chores, she also worked outside to give financial stability to her family. She is the best hugger, best cuddler, best chef, and truly the best inspiration. That day actually was Mother's Day, and this was a small video which paid tribute to every mother. When I saw this ad for the first time, my heart melted and reminded me the love, support of my parents that I usually take for granted. It is truly remarked that mother is said to be an incarnation of God. Now section 3 is tips, which includes discussion on the idioms, phrases and vocabularies which are used in this particular topic. Integral. Integral means an essential part and fundamental part, an important part. In this case, it is used as an adjective. Advertisements are an integral part of this current modern world. They are the fundamental part. They are an important part of this word. Ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means present everywhere, found everywhere, omnipresent. Yes, it is true that advertisements are now found on televisions, on radios, on mobile phones, internets, everywhere. And hoardings. Hoarding means a large board in public place which is used to display advertisements. Eye-catching. Eye-catching means immediately appealing or noticeable. Something that is very much noticeable, something that is very much striking, that is known as eye-catching. For example, an eye-catching poster. Popped. Something that pops out with a sound is known as pops. Wages. Regular payment earned. Here it is used in the noun form. Magnifies. Magnifies actually means increases or intensifies or enhances or doubles. During holidays, yes, it is true, our mother's work magnifies. Now household chores. Household chores means regular domestic works like washing dishes, sweeping, vacuuming, doing laundry, preparing meal, etc. Yes, these all works our mother does. hugger and cuddler. In this case, it is used as a mother always take care of everybody in the family. She is a good hugger and a good cuddler. Tribute. Now, tribute is an act or a statement which is used to show respect, used to show gratitude or admiration on someone. So, this entire ad that was being prepared was used as a gratitude or a tribute on someone, and that is mother. Melting of heart. Now, melting of heart means used to say that someone begins to feel love, affection, or sympathy for someone. Narration on the word incarnation. Incarnation means that a person, mainly a deity, almighty, or God, who embodies in the body. Example, Rama was Vishnu's incarnation on earth. Other meanings are avatar, embodiment. Another example is that in the Hollywood movie Avatar, we find that in this movie, one person is embodied into another body or a creature. I hope so you like this video. Please do hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Goodbye, sayonara.